Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch video. And before I get started today, I've got something a little bit different, but before I get started today, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I have reached my first milestone on YouTube, which is 3,000 watch hours, and I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. But once you hit 500 subscribers and 1,000 watch hours, you are eligible for the perks program in the YouTube partner program, which allows me to set up membership tiers. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much before I get into this video. I'm still kind of getting over this cold, so my voice isn't where it should be. So I'm going to try and get through this video because so much has been happening over the past week and a half. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's actually going on. But like I said, before I get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much. Thank you to all my current subscribers, the ones that have been with me from the beginning. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys and all my new subscribers. And if you are new to this channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please consider giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. Always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can pick these watches up for yourself. So, just wanted to get into it today. Today I'm not actually going to do a watch review on any watches, because I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. I have been contacted by a couple of different companies for collaboration efforts, which is good, because that will bring me access to more watches so that I can do more watches and watch review videos for you guys. So I have some more watches on the way. I always have watches on the way, but I have some new watches on the way from one of the collaboration partners that I have decided to partner up with. And I have also been able to open up memberships. So you are able to join different tiers of memberships on Dave the Watchman. So if you are interested in doing that, there is a join button. I think it's somewhere around here on your screen. So if you want to click on that join button, you can see what kind of membership tiers that I have available. And those memberships will allow you to add custom emojis to your comments, and they will also allow you to have a badge by your name showing that you do support the channel, and that it will show the length of time you have been supporting the channel, because that badge will be updated. So the longer you are a member, that badge will continue to be updated based on the length of time that you are a member. These membership programs also have different perks available, which I will be adding to these perks as we go along. I just basically set up a basic structure for now, based on each program tier. So there will be different things that will be available at different times. But I just wanted to get everything up and running and get things going so that you guys could start joining, and if you're interested. So that being said, like I said, I do have a ton of watches on the way. There's a lot of exciting stuff coming up here. Like I said, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm at 875, somewhere around there right now. And I need to be at 1,000 for full monetization on YouTube, which is going to be a big step for me. And honestly, guys, I could not have imagined that it would happen this fast. When I started this channel, in the middle of February. And here we are in just after the middle of July. So March, April, May, June, July, just around 5 months, and I'm hopefully going to be at 1,000 subscribers at the end, hopefully at the end of August. I can't even believe that it happened this fast. So I do, like I said, I do 100% appreciate every single one of you guys, everybody who likes, everybody that, comments. I try to respond to as many comments as I can. And I do, like I said, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys have made this happen for me in such a speed that I can't even, I can't even believe that it's happened. So I am so appreciative for that. But yes, I did reach the 3,000 watch hour mark I think yesterday, and I was able to apply for the first step in the YouTube partnership program. So I really, really do appreciate everything you guys do, watching my videos, liking them, and subscribing. So this was basically just a video to thank you guys and let you know what we have going on. I do have a lot of exciting things happening here. I am getting collaboration letters from companies that are going to give me access to nice watches, that I can review. And if you are a micro brand or a watch company out there and you're watching this video, shoot me that message, PM, and we'll try and work something out here so we can get some of your watches on this channel. I'm all about promoting micro brands. I'm all about promoting startup and micro brands. So if you've got a watch brand out there and you're trying to get some traction on it, I will review those watches on my channel and post those videos for you. So definitely give me a message and we'll work something out. But yes, I have quite a bit of watches on the way. I've got more watches. I just placed an order yesterday and the day before for some more watches. So I will have some more watches on the way for some videos in the next week or two. So please stay tuned for that. And like I said, if you do want to check out those membership levels, click on that join button and head on over and see, see what membership plan works best for you. And like I said, I will be adding more perks to these membership plans. But if you want to get in on the ground level, click on that join button below and pick your membership plan. But like I said before, couldn't appreciate you guys more. I am so happy that I'm at the, at the level that I'm at right now. And I am so looking forward to being 100% monetized on YouTube. And that will allow me even more access to more watches and allow me to put more time into the channel so that I can keep cranking out these videos for you guys and reviewing watches. So if there's any watch that you see on this table right now that you need more information about, just leave that in the comments section below. If you're interested in seeing any other types of watches on this channel, leave that in the comment section below. And like I said, any advice, any ideas, leave those in the comment section below. And like I said, I do try to respond to all of my comments, as many as I can. So once again, thank you guys so much. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So head on over and click that subscribe button if you like that concept. Till next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and I will see you all in the next watch review video. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day.